Today I'll walk you through exactly how to export your tasks from ClickUp to Excel, a quick, clean process that gives you a downloadable CSV file you can open, filter, and analyze right inside Microsoft Excel. If you find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial, and let's get right into it. So why would you want to export from ClickUp in the first place? A few great reasons. Maybe you need to build a custom report, share task data with a stakeholder who doesn't have a ClickUp account, or just keep an offline backup of your project for your own records. Whatever the reason, ClickUp makes it straightforward. The first thing you'll do is log into your ClickUp account and make sure you're inside the right workspace, the one that contains the tasks you want to export. ClickUp organizes everything by workspace, so if you have multiple workspaces, just confirm you're in the correct one before you proceed. Next, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens your account menu. From there, click Settings. That takes you into your personal and workspace settings, where all the import and export options live. Once you're in Settings, look for the Import/Export option in the left-hand menu and click it. This is the dedicated section for moving data in and out of ClickUp. Go ahead and click Export. Now you'll be asked to select the file, essentially the scope of what you want to export. Click on the relevant workspace or dataset you need, and once that's selected, click Start Export. ClickUp will begin preparing your file. Give it a moment to load, especially if you have a large number of tasks. The more data you have, the longer this can take, so just let it run. When it's ready, a download button will appear. Click it and your file will save to your computer as a CSV. To open it in Microsoft Excel, just navigate to where it downloaded, right-click the file and choose to open it with Excel, or simply double-click if Excel is already your default program for CSV files. And that's it, you've successfully exported your ClickUp tasks to Excel. From here, you can sort, filter, build pivot tables, or format the data any way you need. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more ClickUp tips. I'll see you in the next one.